Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our Mastercraft XT22. This is a 2019. This boat has the swim deck, sea deck platform, has the rear transom stereo remote, has the full sun pad. Walking through it has the reverse couch and fill-in pad. It has the wakeboard wake surf tower with clamping swivel racks, Klish tower speakers. This boat has bimini. As you can see, tons of great storage. Folds down nicely. Digital gauges, 7-inch control screen, big port side flip up. Lots of storage in this boat. This boat surfs really great. 22-foot boat, handles well, has a great wakeboard weight. This is big, wide, open bow. Plenty of room. You can sit easily 4 people up here. Two on the sides, 2 on the front. Got front Klish speakers, cup holders. In here has the anchor storage. This also has the cool feel material, so this boat will not get hot in the sun. Coming back through here, you have the air dam closing door. It's very nice. Keep the wind out, especially when you shut the front windshield. Keep all the breeze out of there. It's really nice on a cool day or cool evening on the lake. This filler cushion comes right out. Very nice, like this. And this couch folds back to a rear seat. Come and check us out at Greenville, MarineMax, or on MarineMaxGreenville.com, and come and check out this wonderful black and tan interior XT 2019-22. Thank you so much.